All right, let's see what we've got here.
Looks like a good batch, pretty dry.
This is where agriculture meets engineering.
Separation from the outside world is absolute.
Inside, precision takes control.
Every movement follows a defined path.
Raw material stands ready for scrutiny. Gravity becomes the first tool.
The process now truly begins.
Before flavor, purity is enforced. Unwanted elements are removed without compromise. Air becomes a silent filter. Even invisible risks are eliminated. Technology now evaluates every individual bean. Only the best move forward. Hydration awakes what the field preserved. Heat transforms structure into possibility. Controlled release preserves essential character. Balance begins with grain and legume united. Now, life is introduced to guide the process. Now begins the slow science of transformation. Microorganisms begin their invisible labor. Salt stabilizes and shapes the evolution. Time now becomes the primary ingredient. Patience is measured, never guessed. Data now safeguards tradition. Every variable is watched without interruption. Movement sustains balance. When the time is right, flow resumes. From fermentation emerges the first true essence. Clarity is engineered with precision. Heat stabilizes flavor without compromise. Control preserves the integrity of the brew. The liquid now reflects its full character. Ready for its final form. Before release, proof replaces assumption. Precision confirms consistency. Safety is verified at microscopic scale. Human senses complete the equation. Only when confirmed does production advance. The final form takes shape. Sealed to preserve what time created. Identity and traceability unite. Every unit is verified before departure. From harvest to shipment, precision defines the journey.
And this is how modern factories produce soya sauce from start to finish.